let's make pappardelle. This is a typical shape of pasta from Tuscany. It's really nice to pair with a rich ragu, or why not? I love with a creamy mushroom sauce. So we are now ready to shape pappardelle. What you simply need is a sharp knife, which will help you to cut through by hand the long pasta. So it is always better to leave enough flour, and what we start to do is simply folding. So make sure you add flour all the time you fold the pasta dough in order to be able to separate then the pappardelle when you finish cutting. And yeah, we simply roll it, and now we are ready to shape the pappardella about 2 centimeters wide. And these are your hand cut pappardelle. Now the pappardelle are ready. You simply cook in boiling water for 2 minutes, and you pair with your favorite sauce, and buon appetito!